to be productive, you don't need a to-do list. You need a system that gets you good results. Productive people think in modules and dependencies, not in one-off tasks. So before you start writing your to-do list for the day, you need energy. And this energy can only come when your space is organized, when you have good food in the morning, good exercise. All these things affect your productivity. So you need to do dependencies. You need to get your morning energy before your to-do list. So rather than having a random list of tasks, you need a system that thinks in modules and dependencies. You need systems that make your work visible and make estimated predictions. Your to-do list doesn't happen in some isolated place. It actually happens in the real world. So making sure you send that email, you call that client, this moves the real world deadline forward. But in traditional apps, you can keep extending the deadline. It has no context on the real world impact of this. Productive people also think in systems. If I sent an email today, I should have a follow-up on Wednesday, and I should do something else about it on Friday. So they're constantly thinking of follow-up tasks rather than individual disconnected tasks. I am building a personal productivity app called Zendo, which is a foundation of this system to help you be productive and think less about to-do lists.